Good day everyone, this is Sir JV, and for this video, we're going to talk about evaluating functions. Now, what do we mean by evaluating functions? It is the process of determining the value of the function at the number assigned to a given variable. Or simply, when you are going to evaluate a function, you are just going to substitute and then simplify the resulting function. Let us have some examples. Number 1. Given f of x is equal to 2x minus 4, find the value of the function if x is equal to 3. Let us have the solution. Ang una natin gagawin ay kopyahin yung given, and that is f of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Saka natin sisimulan ang pagsasubstitute and then pagsisimplify. Ano ang ating isasubstitute? Ang sabi, x is equal to 3 daw. Therefore, yung 3 ang isasubstitute natin sa mga x ng ating given. Tulad nito. Lahat ng x dun sa given ay pinalitan natin ng 3. After natin mag-substitute, magsisimplify na tayo. Yung nasa left side ng ating function, kokopyahin lang natin yan hanggang dulo ng ating solution. Yun ay ang f of 3. Ang ating isisimplify lamang ay yung nasa right side. That is 2 times 3 minus 4. So, ang uunahin nating isimplify ay yung 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then, bring down lang natin yung negative 4. So, magiging 6 minus 4. Tulad ng sabi ko, kokopyahin lang natin yung f of 3 hanggang dulo ng ating solution. And then 6 minus 4 will give us 2. And that is our final solution. F of 3 is equal to 2. Let us have example number 2. Given f of x is equal to 5x plus 1, find f of h plus 1. Let us have the solution. First, copy the given function, and that is f of x is equal to 5x plus 1. Ngayon, sisimulan na natin yung pagsasubstitute at pagsisimplify. Ano ang ating isasubstitute? Iyon ay ang h plus 1, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Papalitan natin lahat ng x doon sa given function ng h plus 1. Tulad ito. So, kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng x ay napalitan na ng h plus 1. Kapag tapos na tayo mag-substitute, pwede na tayo mag-simplify. Tulad ng dati, kokopyahin lang natin yung nasa left side, and that is f of h plus 1. Then, isi-simplify natin yung nasa right side. Sisimulan natin sa 5 times h plus 1. I-distribute lang natin si 5 dun sa nasa loob ng parenthesis. 5 times h will give us 5h. And then, 5 times positive 1 will give us positive 5. Itong si positive 1, i-bring down lang natin. And then next, kopyahin lang ulit si f of h plus 1. Isi-simplify natin yung similar terms sa right side. Ang similar terms ay positive 5 and positive 1. So, si 5h, i-bring down lang natin. Positive 5 plus 1 will give us positive 6. So, si 5h and 6 hindi natin sila pwedeng pagsamahin. Therefore, ito na ang ating final function. Let us have example number 3. Given f of x is equal to the greatest integer value of x minus 3, find f of 9.3. This symbol is the what we call greatest integer value. It rounds down a real number to the nearest integer. Example, greatest integer value of 6.7. So, ira-round down natin siya. Yung 6.7 equal siya kay 6 because of the greatest integer value. Another example, greatest integer value of 5.4. Pag kinuha natin yung round down niyan, it will give us 5. So, let us have the given. F of x is equal to the greatest integer value of x minus 3. Magsa-substitute na tayo and then magsisimplify. Alin ang isa-substitute natin? That is 9.3. Again, yun ay yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Lahat ng x dun sa given function, papalitan lang natin ng 9.3. Tulad nito. Kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng x, pinalitan na natin ng 9.3. Tapos na tayo mag-substitute. Ngayon, isi-simplify na natin siya. Kokopyahin lang natin yung nasa left side, and that is f of 9.3. And that is equal to, i-simplify natin yung nasa right side. Ano ang greatest integer value ng 9.3? Ira-round down natin yung 9.3. It will give us 9. And then, bring down lang natin si negative 3. And then, magsisimplify na tayo. 9 minus 3 will give us 6. Bring down lang ulit natin si f of 9.3. And that is our final answer. F of 9.3 is equal to 6. Now, let us have example number 4. Evaluate the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2 at f of 2x minus 3. Let us have the solution. First, copy the given function, and that is f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. Ngayon, magsa-substitute na tayo. And then after that, we will follow it by simplifying the function. Ano ang ating isa-substitute? Iyon ay 2x minus 3. Si 2x minus 3, isa-substitute natin sa lahat ng x natin sa given function. Kung mapapansin nyo, tatlo ang x natin sa given function. So, tatlo ang papalitan natin ng 2x minus 3. And it will look like this. Lahat ng x, pinalitan natin ng 2x minus 3. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa substitution. Doon naman tayo sa simplifying the function. Bring down the left side of the given function, and that is f of 2x minus 3 equals, simplify na natin yung nasa right side. Let us begin with quantity 2x minus 3 squared. Paano ba natin to isi-simplify? Copy natin siya dun sa right side. Then simplify natin. Yung quantity 2x minus 3 squared, pag in-expand natin yan, magiging dalawang 2x minus 3. Paano natin yan isi-simplify? Gagamitan natin ng FOIL method. F stands for the first terms. So 2x times 2x, it will give us 4x squared. O stands for the outer. 2x times negative 3 will give us negative 6x. And then I for the inner. Negative 3 times 2x will give us also negative 6x. And then for the last terms, L. Negative 3 times negative 3 will give us positive 9. And then, combine similar terms. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung dalawang negative 6x lang ang similar terms. So sila lang i-combine natin. Bring down 4x squared. Pag kinombine natin yung dalawang negative 6x, it will give us negative 12x. And then, bring down positive 9. So that is the simplest form of 2x minus 3 squared. Kopyahin natin yan dito sa other side. After we simplify quantity 2x minus 3 squared, simplify naman natin yung susunod. Just simply distribute negative 2 dun sa nasa loob ng parenthesis. Negative 2 times 2x will give us negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 3 will give us positive 6. Then si positive 2, bring down lang natin. Next step is to simplify the function or combine similar terms na lang. Bring down f of 2x minus 3. Kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa right side, isa lang ang may x squared. So, yung term na may x squared, bring down lang natin. And that is 4x squared. While, dalawa naman yung may x. Combine natin sila. Negative 12x minus 4x, it will give us negative 16x. While the constant terms or yung mga walang variable, positive 9 plus 6 plus 2, pag kinombine natin silang lahat, it will give us positive 17. So wala na tayong maisisimplify dun sa right side. Therefore, it is our final function. F of 2x minus 3 is equal to 4x squared minus 16x plus 17. Now, let us have example number 5. Given the function g of x is equal to square root of 5x minus 13, find g of 9. Let us have the solution. First, copy the given function. G of x is equal to square root of 5x minus 13. We're going to substitute and then after that, simplify. Ano ang ating isa-substitute? That is 9, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. We're going to substitute 9 sa lahat ng x dun sa given function. Like this one. Kung makikita mo, pinalitan natin yung dalawang x ng 9. So it will become g of 9 is equal to square root of 5 times 9 minus 13. Next, bring down the left side of the function and that is g of 9 equals, multiply lang natin si 5 and 9. 5 times 9, it will give us 45. And then, bring down negative 13. May square root pa din. Next, again, bring down g of 9 equals, simplify yung nasa loob ng radical. 45 minus 13 will give us 32. Square root of 32. Next, isi-simplify natin ngayon si square root of 32. G of 9 is equal to, hindi perfect square si 32. Pero, meron siyang factors kung saan yung isa perfect square. And that is 16 times 2. 16 times 2 is 32. And 16 is a perfect square number. So, pwede na natin ilabas yung square root ni 16. Now, g of 9 is equal to square root of 16. Ilalabas natin, magiging 4. May iwan sa loob si square root of or si 2 at magiging square root of 2 siya. The final answer is g of 9 is equal to 4 square root of 2. That is our final function. Let us have example number 6. Given the function k of x is equal to 3x squared minus 1 all over 2x plus 4, find k of negative 3. Let us have our solution. First, copy the given function. K of x is equal to 3x squared minus 1 all over 2x plus 4. Now, let us substitute negative 3 sa lahat ng x natin dun sa given function. So, kung mapapansin nyo, tatlo yung x. Yung katabi ni k, yung nasa taas, and then yung nasa babang x. After natin mag-substitute, isi-simplify na natin. Bring down lang natin si k of negative 3. Now, paano natin ito isi-simplify yung nasa right side? Mag-start tayo dun sa numerator or yung mga nasa taas. Yung mga nasa taas, ang una nating isi-simplify ay yung may exponent, which is negative 3 squared. Therefore, i-bring down muna natin si 3. What is negative 3 squared? That is equal to positive 9. Then, bring down negative 1. Now, yung nasa denominator naman or yung mga nasa baba, we are going to multiply 2 and negative 3. And that will give us negative 6. Then, bring down positive 4. Next, copy k of negative 3 equals, yung nasa taas muna ulit ang ating isimplify. 3 times 9 will give us 27. And then, bring down again negative 1. Yung nasa baba, negative 6 plus 4 will give us negative 2. Unlike sign. And then copy the sign of the bigger value or number. Bring down k of negative 3 equals, simplify natin yung nasa taas. It will give us 27 minus 1. It is equal to 26. Then let us copy negative 2 or bring down negative 2. Then, again, copy k of negative 3 equals 26 divided by negative 2. It will give us negative 13. Therefore, our final answer is k of negative 3 or k of negative 3 is equal to negative 13.